Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Audacity not opening on Windows. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, try opening Audacity normally. If it does not open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for Audacity in the list of running processes. If it is running in the background, select it and click End Task. Now try opening Audacity again. If it still does not open, search for Audacity in the Windows search bar, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Next, restart your computer and try launching Audacity once more. If the problem continues, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps and find Audacity. Open Advanced Options if available and use the Repair or Reset option. If none of these steps work, uninstall Audacity and download the latest version from the official Audacity website. Install it again and launch the program. These simple steps solve most Audacity startup problems on Windows. That's how to fix Audacity not opening. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.